Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple business website instantly using Mighty Sites. Mighty Sites is the easiest to use website building platform there is for small businesses. So let's just say I want to create a website for a lawn care business. Well, I could search right here for a lawn care business, or I could just click on the theme right here. All it asks me to do is enter my name, so Keegan's Lawn Care, and then enter my location. I'll just put in a city and state. Select my type of business. This is a service business. Click continue. And just like that, Mighty Sites produces a website for my lawn care business instantly. Now, all I need to do from here is just edit this to my liking. So I can do things like change colors. So I can switch over the theme colors to whatever color fits my business. I can update this section and add new navigation links. I can upload my logo. Once I upload my logo, there's really great editing tools too to edit it. I can add my social media links, and those will automatically populate right there on the right hand side in the top. So I'll just add Mighty Sites USA and save. So now my social links there. If I want to add my phone number, all I do is go over here and add my business phone number. And now that populates, same with my email address. If I want to edit any of these images, I just click on update section, upload, and I upload a new image, browse any that I have from my computer. I can change any of the call to actions too. I can update the sections. Again, I can change any of these colors to be whatever I want them to be. So whatever I feel like is going to fit my theme, and there are new colors being added for each theme all the time. So you just select the one that works best for your business. So once that's all set, people can even submit themselves right through here. So if I just submit myself as a lead, put in my phone number, and just say I need a lawn mowing service. And as soon as I do that, click send, and now my customer will see a thank you message. Meanwhile, if I go to stop editing and go back to the site dashboard, now I can see that I have a new lead for my business. I can even connect it to a custom domain that I own from GoDaddy, Google Domains, places like that. And just like that, I can be up and running with a brand new website for my business with a few minor edits. So let's just go back to sites and let's add another one. So I told you this was instant. Let's just say instead of a lawn care business, maybe I own a handyman business. So again, Keegan's Handyman Services. Let's say this time I am in Denver, Colorado. And again, this is a service business. This works for any type of business. Click continue. And just like that, now I've got a website for my handyman business. You can see that all of the text is now related to handyman. All of the images are now handyman images, contractor images. I've got a new color palette here that I can choose from, that I can update for my site and pick one that makes sense for whatever theme I'm going for, whatever look I'm going for. All the same editing tools, phone number tools are here, and the same ability to generate leads through your new website. Now let's say, just for the sake of it, let's go make a website for another type of business. I'll go in here and let's create a website instantly. Let's go through, how about, and you can see there are all types of different businesses, local businesses represented here. So now I'm going to go over and I'm going to search for a bookkeeping. Let's just say I own a big bookkeeping service. I'm going to click on bookkeeping service. And again, let's just say Keegan's bookkeeping business. And this time I will be in, where do we want to be? New York, New York. This is a service. Again, same thing for retail and restaurant businesses. Click continue. And just like that, instantly, we've made a small business website for a bookkeeping service. So as I scroll down through this, you can see the images have preloaded, the contact form, and again, any of these things can be changed. So if I want to go in here and change this to call, I can now change this to call me, or I can change this to call my business, contact, whatever it is that I want it to be. I can switch over here to choose a link, and I can go from my actions to click to call, and that'll populate with my phone number. I can even upload a PDF if that's pertinent for my business type. So if I have a restaurant menu or something like that, I can upload a PDF. And then I can go over here, close that, save it. I can upload any of these images, change them out. I can easily edit any of the text. So let's just say I don't offer this service, but I do offer on-site training. You'll see this populate right here as I write it. And I can click save and close. So just like that, I've just created 3 small business websites. I've quickly and easily using Mighty Sites. You can just create and launch business websites that easily. It's literally instant to create and launch websites for small businesses using Mighty Sites. And then you can generate leads for those businesses, always go back and edit, add social links, phone numbers, connect a custom domain. And just like that, any type of small business pretty much can have a simple professional website for their business instantly using Mighty Sites.